to look at maximal rectangle problem. So here we have been given a matrix of 0 and 1, and here we need to find out a rectangle with maximum area which has only ones, right? So here to think about this problem, first what we can do is calculate the number of ones in either row or column, right? So for example, let's say we are calculating the here we are calculating by the columns, right? So here, like at every index I and j, for example, here we calculate like there are three ones here and at this index, right? And then similarly, like here is two, here is one, and like that, right? So first we calculate like how many ones are there, and then we can calculate like on this direction, right? Like how many ones are continuous like on this direction, right? So first here, like we calculate the number of ones uh, for every index, right? And then here what we do is like for every index we find out what's the maximum rectangle area that we can get by going in this direction, right? So for example, we are kind of here, right? Then if we see here, then the area is only 1 till here, and then if we go here on this direction, then like this rectangle becomes this with area 2, and then here it becomes 0, right? So here we kind of iterate over every index, and then we go in this direction and then see what's the minimum height of the ones in this direction, and then we take minimum of those because that will give us the rectangle, right? So for example, like if we consider this index, right, then here like this is the initial rectangle that we get, like this rectangle, and then if we go in this direction because we have 0, then rectangle height becomes only 1, right? So basically height reduces if we go in this direction, and then if we have a 0 in between, then basically that will kind of stop the extension of the rectangle on this side. So yeah, that's about it. The time complexity of this problem is kind of order of rows, columns, and then multiply by columns or rows, right? There is another better algorithm to solve this problem which uses monotonic stacks, which would solve this in order of rows and columns, but we will discuss that in some other video.